Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how you can show or hide file or folder from any directory or USB with interface and command. Okay, let's see. Here my USB, I got only 3 free and total is 16. So it use a lot and let's check. I don't see anything, completely nothing. So how you can show it? Sometimes say virus, but actually the data are right there. Okay, let me show you in here. We just click here, go to option, property. I'll go to option right here, view. So in here, we go to show first, show hidden file and folder, but still could not see anything right here. Let uncheck here. I protected file operating system right here. Just say yes and apply. Boom, it's coming. But it's still hidden. When we plug to another PC, if they don't show that option, we cannot see it. How to fix it? Then we use a command to show it. So just right click right here, open in terminal. In Windows 11, you can use any Windows version. Let's see the file right there. So let me see there. You can see you could not see any file there. It's because it's system hidden. Could not see it. So let me show you how to unlock each one of them, not hidden anymore. If we just right click right here, property is we can remove it only, but hidden still cannot. We cannot do it. So we need a command to do it. So just type a trick minus hidden minus system file minus read. So mean remove system file, remove hidden from all directory files. So for subdirectory and directory and apply to everything. So just click here, boom. See it come back to normal when we right click here, property, no hidden anymore, right here, boom. That's there. Okay, we can see a lot of things right here. So if you want to show or want to hide only one, for example, I want to hide this one, the ISO file. To hide it, just press plus, change to plus, and apply to everything. Dot ISO. This is ISO file. So just enter when we there. We don't see the ISO file right here. And if we just refresh right here, it become hidden. If we write property, boom, with read only and hidden. But we still can see because we show the system file. And when we show system file, this hidden window property coming, but don't worry about it. So hope you learned something, how you can hide specific file or hide all just use this one. Let me show you. Here, behind all everything. So if there you don't see anything, so just remove it. Yeah, it does. Boom, everything back to normal. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.